Edwin, guess what today is?
It's Black Friday!
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today we got a bunch of stuff going on, including tinting windows on the Mustang. You guys have seen the Mustang getting wrapped. You've seen some of the process, but today we have Black Market in actually taking care of the window tint. So I'll show you guys where we're at. We're not going with the complete blackout on it. We're going with the medium tint, from what I understand, correct?
Yeah, medium, 35%.
35% all the way around except the windshield.
Yeah. He'll be calling me in a couple of weeks to get the windshield.
To complete the whole look. So if you guys want to know who's doing the work, this is Josh from Black Market.
Hey, what's
his
up,
lovely
guys?
assistant over here.
Caesar, that's my guy Caesar right there. He's an amazing guy, and he's a workhorse in itself.
He doesn't look like a horse. What up, Caesar?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, brother. How you doing?
Pretty good.
If you're looking for window tint, that's the logo you're looking for. If you're trying to get window tint in the SoCal area, go out and drive to Black Market, find out where they're at. We'll link them below. But I'm gonna show you guys some of the process, and Josh will probably give you some pointers throughout the day. So if you guys are interested in window tint, he's the man. We're gonna try to get as much and pick his brain as much as possible. Back over here, Johnny's working on the Rocket Bunny FRS project that we've been trying to get out for I don't know how long. It feels like this car's been open forever.
Yeah, it's like our car now.
It is kind of our car. Doing the side skirt, if you guys know, on the Rocket Bunny, I wish I would have showed you guys. There's a really deep recess right here. Eventually you guys are gonna see what we do, but we're gonna hide a seam. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a relief cut right here, which is gonna create an opportunity to put an overlay right here, but it's out of sight, out of mind. No one will ever see it. And you and I are probably the only one, anybody who watches this vlog.
Yeah, well, a lot of people, I guess a lot of people are getting to know then.
So Josh recently is beginning into the vinyl world, and he also is very well experienced and well-rounded with window tint. What do you see as a big difference right now?
Like difference between film application?
Just right off the bat, between film application of window tint and actually doing vehicle wraps.
The thing that I notice is window tint's a lot easier for me. Obviously, because I've been doing it for...
That's what you've been doing.
Right. I think the biggest learning obstacle in vinyl wrap is learning, because I know the way the film flow is big, you know, in window film. So I can shrink it, and that's what I was showing you a little bit earlier, is how the film wants to flow. Now, I think it's the same thing with vinyl, is the film is going to tell you where it wants to go. And you can fight it all day long, but if you fight it, and it doesn't want to go that way, then you pretty much just ruined it. You know what I mean?
Right.
I think anybody can lay vinyl. Can they lay it the right way?
Right.
You know what I mean? Can they lay it so it can last? And that's what I've been trying to learn, is obviously learning effective corners, what's gonna last, how to minimize the stress.
So to elaborate on what Josh is saying, and I talked about this probably a week ago, I was telling Johnny that there's a lot of people that can lay vinyl. And it's a very easy business to get into. You buy a roll of film, you buy a blade, you buy a heat gun, and you start applying vinyl. The thing about it though is actually successfully installing vinyl is a whole different story. You can look at this, we installed this. This has been on for a couple days here. It is a new film for us, it's KPMF, but everything's still staying down. One thing that we like to do, especially on an aggressive bumper like this, we like to let it sit for a tad bit of time before we put it on. That's why we always ask for extra time with cars, because I want to make sure that everything we do before we put it back together is not going to fail. So this is sat in the elements, it's been in cold, it's been in heat, and ultimately been like this for a couple days, and it still looks perfect. So I know it's good and ready to go. So here's that hidden relief cut I was telling you about. This is technically the top side of the side skirt, so the door is actually up here. So this faces down, so we're not worried about that seam being there. But what we really want to do is avoid a seam in an area that's actually seen. So this is the bottom side of it, that's towards the ground. You're gonna see this side of it, and that's why we chose to do the inlay or the overlay the way we're gonna do it. So Black Market has spent about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to get this thing done. There was some tutorial time with us, so maybe slow down the process a tad bit. But thank you to you guys, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Looks really good. I want to show you guys the window tint job. It's not super dark, but it's perfect. It's enough to get this thing looking stealth. It's still good for the customer. The customer wanted visibility, but I do think we need to tint that windshield at some point. I'm gonna try to convince the customer to do so, but look at how stealth the side looks.
All right, so we're gonna be replacing the OEM mirrors with these APR side mirror thingies. I don't even know what they're called. You have this like really girthy. You have this girthy base right here, you know, like
right.
and the big mirror. Then you go from here to this, and you can see this big size difference. So.
This is the APR mirror. Definitely different. I think it fits the look because these cars are crazy. When you get the Rocket Bunny kit on them, you get all of the crazy wheel setup. It's only like, you have to go with the crazy mirror. You know, you got one of these bulky little fat boys right here.
Right.
And then you got that.
Also
Spec D reached out and got us these.
These are pretty cool headlights. Brand new in box. They're really good with their packaging, so I've never heard of anyone getting a cracked headlight, so.
Shout out to Spec D, so thank you guys very much. While the guys work on getting the Rocket Bunny kit on over there, getting the Rocket Bunny kit on the car, sorry. I have these left. This is literally the only thing that's left that needs to be wrapped, and these are the door handles. You see over there, the door cap where the lock goes is not in place yet. So let me show you how it's done. Once again, big thank you to Throttle. Our guys over at Throttle, you guys know them, they're on YouTube as well. We reached out to them. We were trying to get a carbon fiber hood and trunk for this car for so long. We went through so many hoops, and Throttle just made the whole process streamlined and got us the parts really, really quickly. So thank you to Throttle, thank you to Evan, thank you to all the guys over at Throttle. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. Look how dope the hood looks. Thank you, Throttle. I'm telling you guys, part of the stress that you see right here was because of us not being able to get the hood that we needed, and I don't know what they did. It's like almost like they made this thing appear out of nowhere because I was told, no, the hood doesn't exist, it's not in stock anywhere, yada, yada, yada. Bam, it's in the shop. Thank you, Throttle. Look who's here!
I'm not here.
Hey, do you guys remember this guy? If you know who this guy is, I'm not even calling by name, comment below. Who is this? Let me just give you a hint.
No, oh my God.
Premium John is back in the building, and I've been seeing him here a lot more lately. I'm almost gonna call him an employee, but he wears a green shirt. One day we'll get him a premium shirt. Hey, next time you show up here, change your shirt, fool. Putting these Rocket Bunny kits on. This one, especially because of the way it was originally mounted by LTMW, it all goes on in one piece. So this is the kit set up. It looks sketchy, but it's actually pretty sturdy. Along with the mirrors, pretty cool. Wow. 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 Whoa. Wow. Listen, guys, we're f***ing tired, right? It was a long day here at the shop. You've seen what we got going on. We kind of didn't let you not see anything. We just went full force, recorded everything. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We got the Rocket Bunny put on. That was our goal today. So if you see the vlog and you kind of see how it's evolving lately, I've really been trying to focus on one project, let you see it through. Even if it takes a couple days, I want to show you everything that we're seeing. Just so you guys, if you have questions along the way, you can ask them in the comments below. We'll always do our best to answer. Today was one of those days. It's a late night here at the shop, wrapping a Rocket Bunny FRS. Let me just tell you guys, if you're in a wrap shop or you have one and you're thinking about getting wrapped, you're gonna pay. These things are definitely a lot more work. There's so many more trim pieces, working on the Rocket Bunny kit, wrapping the Rocket Bunny kit, putting the Rocket Bunny kit on. For one, taking it off, wrapping it, putting it back on. It's just so much work, but look at the result. Super cool. Obviously very, very cool. This is probably my favorite Rocket Bunny FRS on the planet right now. Just to recap, we got the new hood put on today. We got the new headlights. Thanks to Spec D for the headlights. Thank you to Throttle and Scion for all of the carbon pieces. We got a carbon hood. We got the side vents, or side garnishes. We got the trunk, which we haven't put on. It's probably gonna be the next vlog. And then we got the APR mirrors. Anthony did a real good job at showing you guys exactly how those went on. So thank you, Anthony.
What?
Thanks for helping us out today, bro.
Yeah.
You killed it. Johnny.
Hey, are you being serious
Edwin,
though?
thanks for going to get all those parts. The vlog, thanks you.
No problem.
Give them an update on your truck.
It's totaled.
It's total?
Damn, yeah.
What's being your fucking face?
Damn.
Fucking liar.
That's sad.
At this point.
Thank you for everything. Appreciate you. Teamwork. You guys ready? Put your hands in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy Black Friday, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying your day off. Hopefully you guys got the day off work. I know we didn't. We're still here. Just kidding. I'm filming this a couple days in advance because I want to make sure that you guys know about our Black Friday sale. 30% off the entire website if you've been looking to get any premium auto styling product, windshield banners, t-shirts, hats, beanies, vinyl overlays, whatever you've been looking to get from us, go to the website. This is the time to buy DIY roof wrap kits, DIY headlight, smoke tail light, yellow tint film kits, everything. Go shop the website. And also, anybody who purchases during our Black Friday sale from Friday all the way till Sunday is entered to win 1 roll of vinyl wrap film. It's a DIY wrap kit, so you'll get 1 full roll of material with a heat gun, a squeegee, a blade, and everything needed to wrap your own car. So that's about an $800 value, maybe a little bit more, because it is a good roll of material. It's an Avery wrap film. So if you want to be entered, all you got to do is spend $1 on the website. That's all you got to do. So happy Black Friday, everybody. Hope you guys enjoy your time off from work. Bam!